friend, my name is Queenie, and today I invite you into my nail studio to share with you my entire order fulfillment process, start to finish, on a 24-piece custom press-on nail set. I'll show you everything from when I prep my nail stands all the way through to the packing and shipping. Lots of information, so stick around and let's get started. The order I'll be putting together today is the Lighthouse Nautical Scene press-on set of 24 nails. It's an adorable little scene with a lighthouse and a red, white, and blue theme, and the customer ordered it in square short. So as you saw, I was going through my nail stands to make sure I had everything numbered correctly and make sure that I make the correct sizes for the set. And then I will go through and I will use those sticky tabs that I send to the customers to put their nails on. Those sticky tabs are amazing, and I had a revelation one day after scraping the putty off of the 78th nail that I made that there's got to be a better way, and using these and cutting them down to size for the nail stands is a dream come true. Then I start pulling out the nails from the box and applying those to the corresponding size stand. And then the next step is going through the nail prep, which is filing off those little nubbies that are on the front of every single nail, and then taking a small buffing block and buffing off the shine of each nail to give the polish something to stick to. You just want a nice, rough, smooth surface. Yeah, smooth, rough surface. Once all the nails are buffed, I take a minute to clean them off with a clean makeup fan brush. Just gets all the dusts off and cleans them up. So the next step is base coat. So I will go through all 24 nails and base coat them with a nice even thin layer of base. So in this set, not every single nail is getting stamped or decorated, so I will pull all the nails that are not getting anything except for polish, and I will give them 2 coats of polish and top coat and set them on the stands, and then they are finished and I can concentrate on all of the nails that are being stamped and decorated. The first design is going to be the lighthouse, so that is going to be stamped over 2 coats of white, and then I'm also going to put a super thin layer of this VENALISA super laser topper. It is gorgeous and it catches the light just right, but we want to do a nice thin layer so the lighthouse stamp will pop off the nail. Use too much topper and your lighthouse will then just kind of be in the background and the topper will be the star of the show. We want the lighthouse to be the star of the show, and we just want the topper to be like the backup dancer. So here I am pulling off all the extra bits that were on the stamp, and I'm just going to start filling in the design. In all, there are 4 lighthouse nails in this set that I need to stamp and then fill in. Once the stamping polish is completely dry, I go in with a beautiful shiny layer of top coat. And that is what it looks like with the top coat. So these absolutely gorgeous red nails get the metallic silver anchor stamp in the bottom right hand corner of the nail. That red is just, oh, it's scrumptious. I just love it. I'm just scraping off and picking up my design. There it is, going through, and I have to pick off the little bits of polish that I do not want to stamp onto the nail. And then there is that beautiful metallic silver anchor. The white nails that are not getting the lighthouse design are also getting 2 coats of white, and then again going in with a very thin layer of the VENALISA super laser, which is such a gorgeous, gorgeous topper. I just love it so much. And then the white nails that I just did all get a red stamp of the smaller anchors and the smaller life rings, and that goes on all of those smaller white nails. And then I just go through and start stamping all the rest of the nails in the set. And here I am finishing up one of the last lighthouse nails. Once the stamping polish is completely dry, I went in and started doing top coat on all of the nails. And here you can kind of see my process. I just go rack to rack to rack and put the top coat on, and then I just check it and double check it and triple check it to make sure that the top coat is on there with absolute perfection. And then I cure it for 60 seconds and move on to the next rack. There's me checking it, checking. I'm always checking. I want it to be absolutely perfect. And I forgot to say that I was using the Luxie Non-Cleanse top coat. I just really like their products. I think they're great. Not a sponsored video, by the way. Once everything is top coated, I grab one of the cardboard boxes that I ship the nails in. These cardboard boxes are fantastic because it gives the customer a place to keep their nails when they're not using them. It keeps the nails clean and it keeps them protected from loss. So I really feel that it's the best way to do the packaging, and these boxes are super sturdy and they're great for shipping. And then just to add a little more pizzazz to the packaging, I like to take my Nail Art Queenie sticker and put that on top of the box. I just think it looks pretty. There is the sticker, and then we can open up the box, pull out the cotton, and then I have to put my double-sided tape down, and I use my little cheater sheet with the measurements of what I need. So I need 2 4-inch pieces, one at the top, one in the middle of the box, and then I think it's 2.5-inch piece at the bottom of the box. And that is pretty much how I put the box together to make sure that all the nails will fit and the cotton won't stick to the double-sided tape. Not too much anyway. And I ended up having to take my glove off because I could not get the tape to release. I had to just finagle it in a way to get that off, but then I put my glove back on to actually do the packaging. And then I start taking the nails one by one, and I have my little lint-free cleaner there, sprayed with alcohol. I clean everything. I make sure that everything is filed properly, that there's no extra gel anywhere, and I just start putting them into the boxes. They look so pretty. This is the part I like the most because it really gives me a chance to admire my work. And then I just give one last wipe down, make sure they're all clean, dust free, and because it's all with alcohol and I don't touch them again, it allows me to know that they are as sterile as I can get them to be. And then we put the cotton back in, and my business card, and I'm taking it back out again so I can look at them again. I just wanted to admire them one last time. And the business card and the lid. Sorry, guys. And then we head over to the packing table. So I grab a holographic reusable bag, 2 sets of the press-on nail tabs, a how to put your nails on and how to remove your nails cards. They actually are really great if you're using the glue. If you're using the tabs, you don't have to worry about the removal instructions. Then I grab a small buffer block and 2 Curad alcohol prep pads, a cuticle pusher, a small nail file that is so cute, and a tube of nail glue. And then I grab one of these little stickers. It just says, if you love it, share it. And it prompts you to share it on Instagram and Facebook. And then I have a special little thank you bag that I like to put together. Pretty much anything could go in there, just whatever I'm kind of feeling or whatever I have ordered for that. So here I have different stickers. So I'm grabbing one sticker out of each little section. And then I also just made these scratch off cards that have special discount codes on them. So every time you place an order, you get a scratch off card and then you get a special discount for your next purchase. And then I have these little hair ties. You could also put a keyring on them and use them as a wrist keyring holder. And then I'll put another business card in so the customer can share where they got their nails by giving out the business card. And then that's everything that goes in the little thank you. Close it up and then grab one more little thank you sticker, because there are tons of thank yous, because I just appreciate the business so much. So the next thing I grab is the shipping envelope, and these I got from Uline. They are so heavy duty. They are amazing. They're sturdy with nothing in them. They're really great. Highly recommend. Then the nails go in, and the prep kit, and the thank you. And then we need to print out the packing slip and the shipping label. And I always write a little personal note to my customer, because I feel that they are so special to me, and I just want to say a special little thank you. And then I just close that up, if I don't throw it across the room first. This looks so pretty and pink and shiny, and I just love it. I think it looks so pretty. And because I have not yet figured out the YouTube blur, there's the shipping label, and then it goes into the shipping basket. And here's a final look at the lighthouse set. I'm so happy with the way it came out, and I hope you love it too. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. I'll see you in the next video, and until then, keep on rocking those fabulous nails. Bye!